Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we are going to see that if you want to send some custom emojis or animated emojis, how we can enable that. So what we need to do is just head over to any kind of chat and just click on the stickers. Once you click on that stickers, it will show you all the options, whether you want to send the stickers, whether you want to send the GIFs images or an emoji. So if you want the animated emojis to be enabled, once we set a particular emoji and send that, if you send a single one, you might see it animate when you send that. So let's see. As we can see, now it's animated. But if you don't, you need to enable some of the settings. What you need to do is just click on this gear icon right here on the middle, and from here just click on suggest animated emojis. So if that is off, you need to enable that. Only that way you can send or enable the animated emojis like that. So just like that, you can send any emoji and you are good to go. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. Also, if you want to learn more about the Telegram application, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.